Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to erase cache in the Vivaldi browser. If Vivaldi is slow or websites are not loading properly, erasing cache can fix it. To erase cache on Vivaldi browser, first open Vivaldi. After that, press Ctrl Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. Now delete browsing data window will open. Here you can select data dense from past hour to all time. After that, check this one option, cache, and then click on this one, delete button. That's it. Vivaldi will erase cache from your browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.